fun and games with a hammock. No matter how many times you do it, always remember it's got to go slightly higher than what you think. Anyway, welcome back. It's going to be a really short and sweet camp. I've literally finished 7 days on the trot at work, earlies. I've just finished a 12-hour shift. I've been up since 4 o'clock in the morning. It's now 7 o'clock at night. So I've got my Covacure 20 quid Amazon hammock up. I'm just about to put in my snug pack sleeping bag. I'm going to get a fire on the go. I've still got wood prep left from my last camp, so hopefully I won't have to do too much prepping. I've got a brand new fire anchor I want to try out. It's come from TJM Metalworks. Fantastic looking bit of kit. I'll put the link in the description to it. I've only got a couple of burgers I'm going to do tonight, so it's just a very simple meal to give it a test out. But of course I've got a few beers. I'm going to sit down, chill out after a long week at work. So let's get this show on the road. Best part of the camp. Cheers. So just while I'm waiting for the fire to sort itself out, this is my new TJM Metalworks Fire Anchor. It's the mini fire anchor, 65 quid. But the guy who runs TGM, Trevor, he makes all these things handmade to order. And like, just look at the quality of the craftsmanship and that, the welds. And this is a proper heavy duty bit of kit. You know, it's not like your cheapo 20 quid ones that you can get which last a couple of burns. This is designed for life. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a go tonight. It's got came with a grill and a hook for hooking a billy can, but I'm just gonna use the grill tonight. But yeah, thoroughly recommend. Good bit of kit. Check me out. I forgot my flip-flops. It's only coming up to 8 o'clock at night. Probably have another one, then I'll be hitting the hay. Yeah, it's going to be a short one, so probably in the morning I'll be up in early again and shoot off. I'm not going to hang around in the morning. I've got loads to do. But next week we are off to our first rally of the year. Can you believe it? It's June and we haven't been to a rally yet. Our normal one we go to, Bum in the Mud, is been cancelled, and it looks like it's cancelled permanently. So we're off to Bourne near Peterborough next weekend for the Scruffy Puppy Rally. So we're looking forward to that. Hopefully it'll be a good laugh, and obviously we'll be posting a video about it, so stay tuned. Well, I couldn't wait any longer, so I've whacked my burgers on. As you can see, it's got this hook for hanging your pot on. It's also got the grill, and it comes with other things you can add on as extras if you want other attachments. I only went for the basic mini fire anchor. You can also get a bag for it, but for 65 quid or whatever I paid for it, really good strong bit of kit. Yeah, I'll definitely be getting plenty of use out of this. That is a tasty burger. 10 points if you can name the film without looking up. Seriously, this is embarrassing. I am so tired. I really am. I think it's from sitting next to the fire, having a couple of beers, chilling out, a belly full of a burger. In fact, I've been up at 4 o'clock every morning for the last 7 days. I'm gonna get into my hammock. Yeah, I've just saw actually. I hope it don't rain. It's not scheduled to, but I really hope it don't, because I haven't got a tarp or anything. It'll be a night truly under the stars. So I'll see you in the morning.